Hi all, this is Venu Natraj, your host for today's video. As promised last week, we are back with our new video content. But before I get into the topic, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the people who have liked, commented, shared it, and even personally got back to me with a few topics to help us create our content for the coming videos. So I would like to personally thank all of them. To start with Rafiq, Surendra, Suresh, Sarvesh, Akshata, Chandru sir, Bhagat sir, and definitely my family members, my relatives, my wife, parents, all of them. I would like to thank all of them to help me come up with this content and video for the coming weeks. Now that we are done with the first part, let's move into the video for today. And today we are going to look at the topic called Pomodoro technique. I can imagine some of you making that expression there. What the hell is this all about? So without wasting any further time, let's get into the Pomodoro technique. This is going to be an introductory session and not a full-fledged training program. So we're only going to cover the history of Pomodoro, the technique behind Pomodoro, what are the benefits that you can have out of it, and last but not the least, the tools which are available in the market for you to apply Pomodoro technique in your life. Alright, now that we have set the expectation right about what we're going to handle in Pomodoro technique, let's get into the history of Pomodoro. It's a time management technique and it was invented by one Mr. Francisco Cirillo during his teenage days as a student at university in the late 1980s. Yes, he's a smart boy, and yes, this technique is that old. Pomodoro in Italian means tomato. Now you must be thinking, what the bloody hell does tomato have to do with time management technique? Right? That's got to do with the tool that Mr. Francisco used during his college days. And that was a timer which was shaped like a tomato. How unique. This is basically a kitchen timer which he used to help come up with this technique for himself. Pomodoro technique is a 5-step process which starts with the first one where you break down your major goal or task into subtasks, manageable portions, which are then tried to accomplish within 25 minutes of focused energy towards one particular task. And once you're done with that 25 minute of duration, you take a break. No, I don't mean a long vacation break. What we mean here is a small 2 to 5 minute break and do something healthy, like go for a stroll, exercise your hands, legs, basically move out of your place and give yourself that small little break. And then come back to the step 4 where you repeat the first step 2 and 3, which forms one Pomodoro cycle at least 4 number of times before you take your next big break of say half an hour. This is the time for you to rejuvenate, put in or slot in your lunch break, your time with your family, or having a discussion or chat with other colleagues in the office. All that happens in this longer duration. And of course, your long coffee break. Take it. You've earned it. And you continue this process of doing the Pomodoro cycles until you finish all your major goals for the day. And then it's time for celebrations. Come on, you've earned it. You've finished so much today. Now that we know what the Pomodoro technique and its history is, let's look at what are the benefits that you can have out of the Pomodoro technique. The first definite benefit that you will see if you apply this correctly is improved productivity, because you're going to have much better control over what you produce and how fast you produce. And the next big benefit that you can definitely see out of this is the time management, because you're not running against time here, you're making time work with you as you're alive. The next benefit that you will start seeing, which at least I have started seeing over the last 1 week since I've applied this technique, is that you reduce your back pain and muscle fatigue. Most of us end up sitting in front of our desk or the system for a long duration, causing strain to ourselves. This technique helps us keep a reminder to get up and walk around once a while. So helps you reduce your back pain due to prolonged posturing and of course muscle fatigue. you end up emerging as someone who's healthy and still doing his or her work well. And the biggest benefit that you can have if you apply Pomodoro technique right is that of reducing your mental stress and fatigue. The advantage of breaking down your tasks into multiple subtasks and focusing on them individually without worrying about the others at any given point of time helps you control your stress and anxiety levels. If you're able to complete those tasks in those specified pockets of 25 minutes without worrying about the rest of it, you're definitely going to be someone who's achieved nirvana of the work and time management. So, right guys, these are definitely the benefits that you can have if you apply Pomodoro technique in the right way. And now, since we know the history, technique and the benefits of Pomodoro, we definitely want to know the tools available in the market for us to be able to do Pomodoro well. So before I proceed with what all is available in the market, let's remember this at the back of our mind that Mr. Cirillo, the inventor of this technique, used just a timer, kitchen timer in the shape of tomato, a pencil and a notepad to follow this technique. Simple, right? Yet effective, because he believed that the act of rewinding the clock, putting it together and then noting down the time when you're starting and hitting a snooze when the alarm rings or the clock goes off, all these activities at the back of your mind are enforcing the adherence to time and the adherence to completing of an activity within that allotted time. So this was something that he found mentally more engaging and beneficial. But hey, we are all from the digital age. Who carries a clock around today, right? So here we have web applications, mobile apps, desktop applications or plugins that we will show now, which you can use in your daily life to start applying Pomodoro technique to your work schedule. Just to give a heads up, we're only looking at free tools. That's the first criteria of selection. The second criteria is that ease of use, right? It should be something which is easy to use. Just start it and you know basic operations of the application and you can start using. No long training durations, right? That was out of our list. And the third criteria for selecting was that if it has other additional benefits along with using Pomodoro technique. Before we proceed further, I want to clarify that this is not a paid advertisement. None of these applications that I'm going to show now are endorsed or revenue generating for me or my organization in any which ways. These are only tools that we found in the open market and something which I use myself to test, and that is when I'm recommending these tools to you. Even if the application has a premium or paid version, you should be able to use most of its features on the free version as well. So the first application that we're going to look at is Tomato Timer. Oh, how unique is this name? It's a website which you can just log into. You can find the address there, tomato-timer.com. Once you get to this website, you have basically a big clock sitting there with the timer. You start it and you start working on your activity. The timer goes off at 25-minute duration. Then it starts with a break and then the next cycle. So very little customization, very easy to use, straight down, a simple timer on the website. If you want something more, then this is the next one for you, which is Marinara Timer. This is something that even I'm using. This is a small web browser or a plugin which you can add into your Chrome or Mozilla extension. What it does is it sits quietly on top. Anytime you want to start a Pomodoro cycle, you just go on and hit on that and it starts the timer for you. So, and you have the option of blacklisting some of the softwares or some of the websites if you want. For instance, if you see that you're killing most of your time on say Facebook, Twitter or any other online platform, you can blacklist them while the Pomodoro timer is on. So that helps you to streamline your work or to only the work websites that you want to use, and all these blacklisted ones will not open during the timer. Something which will help you enforce control over yourself. The next app on our list is Pomodun app. This app is available on all the three platforms, that is your desktop, mobile or tab, and also on your browser, a web browser. The reason why this app is there on our list is because it does something more than just Pomodoro technique. What it does is it integrates the Pomodoro technique with your time management as well. So the softwares that you use for your time and project management in your organization, say Trello, Asana, Bittrex, any of this, it can integrate with those, and you can use it for going beyond just keeping the alarm for yourself, but also tracking how much time you spent on each activity. Cool, right? But there's a downside. This app comes with only one integration for free version, and that's for Trello, which is still pretty powerful. This app also provides you mobile integration, full-fledged mobile integration, and you can record your time or your activity on the mobile, and that can also get recorded into your timesheet. So the next tool on our list is Focus To Do. Primarily an app, but also available as a browser or desktop edition. What this app does, and the reason why it is there on our list, is because it helps you adhere to Pomodoro technique and apply it better in your lives. This does something called as forest gamification, as the website says. So what they do is you learn the Pomodoro technique through the application of this game. Every task that you start, you plant a sapling, and with every successive activity that you complete on the Pomodoro technique, your sapling grows into trees and you unlock more levels. You get different varieties of saplings and plants and trees to plant in your garden. But if you keep failing at your Pomodoro tasks, the plants die. So it gives you a motivator to stay alive. Remember the Farmville days from Facebook? How endearing it was, even though it was a virtual farm. We lost sleep to get that thing done. Something of that sort, but applied to more healthy cause of applying Pomodoro techniques in your life. This also comes with integrations. You can try this and let us know what you think of it. Focus To Do also comes in a more serious edition in terms of enterprise edition, where it also becomes your time tracking tool and time management tool. Next on our list is Toggl app. So this is the last app that we're going to review. Primary reason why this comes on our list is because the free edition of this app has hosts of integrations that you can do. You can almost integrate it with tons of project management and time management tools available in the market, and use this as a billing or time tracking tool in your organization, not just as an individual. Although the free edition doesn't let you do reports of how you've utilized your time, but it does allow you to integrate it to the other apps from where you can do the time management. The enterprise edition, however, provides you with hosts of other services wherein you can do an analysis and understand how you have utilized your time better. So that brings us to the end of this presentation. I hope you found this content useful and valuable. Do leave your feedback in the comment section below, and do let us know how you find utilizing these apps, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button. This is something that I didn't do in the last video, and quite a few of my friends and colleagues called me back asking how will they know when the next video comes. Do they have to wait for my message? So hey, sorry, I'm learning YouTube video publishing now, so this is something new that I've learned. You need to say to your viewers to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Do that so that you know when our next video comes in, and thank you for watching the video.